Naka-video nga pala.
Welcome ka.
Napeting ko.
Daming animal. Daming alaman.
Ano, mag-uuwi ka na naman. Gagawin mo na naman pet sa bahay.
Ay,
Mahilig ba siya?
Ay, ano ka na?
mami, yun na yung... Mami, yun na yung rabbit nila yan, no?
Yung mga nando, 4,000 pa yun.
Ah, ba't?
Yung rabbit nila, oh.
Babita mo. Pwede na kaya natin i-lechon yan. Ano ba yan?
Yung rabbit mami nila Riel, oh. Kaso pink may mata niya.
Kapag ba pink ang mata?
Ano to? Pink ko yung mata ng pet nila Riel na rabbit.
Ay, duman mo papayag sa restroom.
Ay, Kuya Fish! Bukas daw yun eh.
Ano ka na?
Ay, yata soda sa isang kotse siya. Oo.
Pwede mainit, tawid na kayo.
To get the safety access to passengers cannot march very well, and that is riding on the train. So this train and your car will serve as transit. Going through will be addressed for vision tools. Inside for vision tools, you will see some live and robotic animals. Then after that, we're going down here at the Tiger Safari Ride. And we shall be riding our original tiger in the ticket, and we'll be taking you inside the main hunting ground of our 3 to 4 full-grown tigers. So this attraction for you going to see tigers on the beach. And if ever you want to
One of these birds for only 50 pesos, but using your cabin on the book. So if you want to hold them for, if you want to talk to them.
Take picture. Akin na po yung camera niya.
Okay, video. Once again, if you want, I've got the crested cockatoo.
Ayun, bird.
Dami yung deserves,
So you can take pictures of one of them, but alright, so by the way, those are the talking birds. The parrot, the African grey parrot, and also the crested cockatoo. So those are the birds who can imitate sounds, and they can also mimic human words. So in fact, this bird can say some human words now, like the word hello, good morning, and sometimes some nasty words like pangit. If you want them to talk, just say hello to them for the pangit. The white one and the grayish one, yun po yung mga nagsasalita namin dito. Those are the talking birds. Yeah.
Hello.
So once again, sir, if you want them to talk, then say something to them. Say hello, or good morning, even an afternoon, that person will say good morning.
Hello.
Alright, so by the way, if you want to take pictures of our top class photography, please. because this bird is very sensitive to the flash of your camera. So in the Philippines, so among the other 16 species of owls, so once again, that's the biggest number. And one of the most interesting fact about owls, so did you know po that owls have an unmovable eyelid? So which means they have a steady eyelid, they cannot move their eyes, but instead, for them to see their surroundings, they can move their whole head 180 degrees more on both sides. For them to
Pagbalik.
Maraming tatanong. Puro ibon na kaya makikita dito.
Bird park yata ito pinunta natin.
parrot or the parrot bird. So this parrot is human work, but only little, with a long from a little. And then at the back, the black eye, that's the minor bird. That is the kanino Sofia or Ma'am, kakulay ng shoes ninyo. Pati damit pala ni Ma'am, pero ba? At dahil kakulay ng shoes ninyo, pwede na. Okay, girls and boys, moms, sir, watch your step, please.
Daddy, hawakan mo yung kabila.
Once again, if you step on them, that's 300 pesos. And by the way, we are also selling lovebirds here.
Dadanggang paan ay gumakain.
Lovebirds because this bird is one of the most common pet birds for us. Kaya,
Buhanin mo, ay, nasa kamay.
nagbenta po kami, one pair sold in
Abos na yan. Nabukas na. Wow, Aubrey! Nagbaba ka, tapat siya. Wow! Tama naman si Adeng. Adeng, oh.
To be used in the form, pocket. Kasi po, they can stand the rate of sunlight. Prone sila sa mga diseases, skin cancer, or even heat stroke.
Anak. Ayoko. Ay, bababa tayo. Oo.
Damo ka na kain tayo.
Ay, honey, baka bumukas ha. Tumaas ka kaya. Good sit, Anne. Adrian! Dito mo, Adrian! Sige, picture mo! Ay, Diyos mo! Adrian, look there! Ito! Dad, pala mo kami ni baby.
Lalaki ng ipin, eh.
Ilang kilo ba kain niyo sa isang araw? Sa kilo?
Great.